In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Google Calendar using the best methods available. By doing this, you'll streamline your workflow and ensure that all your meetings and events are perfectly synchronized across platforms. Let's dive in and get started. First, you need to navigate to HubSpot's homepage. Open your favorite browser and type in hubspot.com. This website is a treasure trove for business solutions, offering a wide range of tools that can help enhance your business operations. Once you're on the site, you'll notice that there are various features and resources at your fingertips, but for this task, we're going to zero in on logging into your account. Now, click on the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials to access your account. Having access to your HubSpot account is essential because it will allow you to connect it seamlessly with Google Calendar. Once logged in, the next step is to head over to HubSpot Home. You can do this by navigating through the user interface. It's your central hub for managing all HubSpot features, making it an ideal starting point for our integration process. This is also where you'll be able to access the various modules and tools HubSpot has to offer. Next, focus on the marketplace icon. This icon represents a gateway to all the apps HubSpot allows you to integrate with. Click on this icon to enter the marketplace. Exploring the marketplace is quite an experience in itself, as it exposes you to a wide array of apps designed to enhance and extend the capabilities of HubSpot. Within the marketplace, you'll now want to click on the Apps tab. Doing so will present you with a selection of applications, but our focus today is on Google Calendar. Click on Google Calendar from the list of available apps that appears. If you can't spot it right away, don't worry, use the search functionality of the marketplace to locate it swiftly. Now that you've found Google Calendar, the next and almost final step is to click on Install App. By installing this app, you're essentially merging the functionalities of Google Calendar with the robust tools within HubSpot, which will allow your calendar entries to flow effortlessly between both platforms. It eliminates the need for manual entry and keeps your schedule up to date automatically. And there you have it, you've now successfully integrated HubSpot with Google Calendar. This integration is a powerful way to keep your business operations smooth and well coordinated. With events and meetings synced, you can ensure that your team is always on the same page. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this walkthrough has empowered you to take full advantage of these tools. Keep exploring and finding ways to automate your workflow for greater efficiency. Have a great day, and happy integrating.